Welcome to the Volkswagen family. Your vehicle is packed with exciting features that help make it convenient and fun to drive. Let's unpack the details. Your new Volkswagen comes with our Carefree Coverage package, which includes 2 years of scheduled Carefree maintenance, covering your 10,000 and 20,000-mile maintenance visits. Volkswagen recommends routine maintenance be performed every 10,000 miles or 12 months, whichever occurs first. Carefree Coverage also includes 3 years or 36,000 miles of roadside assistance, whichever occurs first, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 4 years or 50,000 miles of new vehicle limited warranty coverage, whichever occurs first, giving you peace of mind for the road ahead, and a bundle of connected vehicle service plans enabled through myVW Plus, including 3 years of the Safe and Secure plan, providing access to emergency services such as automatic crash notifications and anti-theft alerts for help when you need it, and 3 years of the Remote Access plan, allowing you to use the myVW app for lock, unlock commands, last parked location, and more. Your new Volkswagen also includes 7 years of the VW Vehicle Insights plan, giving you access to features like vehicle health reports, maintenance alerts, and drive view scores in the myVW app. And 1 year of premium speech, which enhances your vehicle's voice control functionality with online capabilities. To enroll in your included plans, as well as other available paid plans, download the myVW app today by visiting the App Store or scanning the QR code on your screen. To enjoy these connected vehicle services plans, you'll need to accept the myVW Plus terms of service during myVW sign-up. Beyond all of these included benefits, your Volkswagen is also equipped with IQ.DRIVE technology, which provides driver assistance features that can help enhance the safety and convenience of your drive. Learn more about IQ.DRIVE at vw.com/IQ or by scanning the QR code. And keep an eye on your inbox for your personalized newsletter, VW Go. You can also find more information about your vehicle, including video tutorials and access to your online owner's manual by visiting vw.com/tutorials or scanning the QR code. Congratulations on your new Volkswagen. See you on the road.